Ready to turn HubSpot into your ultimate prospecting machine. First, let's talk lead generation. HubSpot's marketing tools are your secret weapon. Start by creating targeted landing pages using the drag and drop editor. These pages should offer valuable content, like ebooks or webinars. In exchange for contact information, make sure your forms are optimized to capture key details such as industry, company size, and job title. This will help you qualify leads later on. Next up, contact management. Import your existing contacts into HubSpot and use the filtering and segmentation tools to organize them based on demographics, behavior, and engagement. Create different lists for different peer personas. This will allow you to personalize your outreach and make your messaging way more effective. You can also manually add new contacts or import them from a CSV file. Now, let's talk automation. HubSpot Sales Hub is where the magic happens. Create automated email sequences to nurture leads. These sequences can be triggered by specific actions, like downloading a resource or visiting a pricing page. Customize each email with personalized tokens to address recipients by name and reference their specific interests. Use branching logic to tailor the sequence based on their responses. For example, if a contact replies positively to the first email, trigger a task for a sales rep to follow up with a phone call. Finally, track your progress. HubSpot's reporting tools provide valuable insights into your prospecting efforts. Monitor key metrics like lead generation, conversion rates, and sales performance. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not, and continuously optimize your strategy. And that's how you use HubSpot for prospecting.